And it's just called Alpine?
Yeah.
Or what model is it?
A110 S.
The A110 S, right, okay. So, just hold sporting.
Yeah, just hold.
Right, so today we are on the Grand Prix circuit. It is the final one of 2020. We are in Emmanuels Alpine what's it called? An
A110 S.
A110 S?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is the sportier version. It's going to have a bit of extra power, so I think around 290 horsepower. Ooh, it feels pointy. I've literally just exited the pit lane, heading onto Hanger Straight at Silverstone. So we'll get a little bit of a, well, we'll allow it to have half a lap of warming up its tyres. At the end of the straight, just braking down. So it's rear wheel drive. It's got paddle shift as well. And actually it's got quite a lot of going. So these were going around when I was doing the hot laps for the British Grand Prix in the AMG GT4. Anyway, heading into club, slows down pretty well, and it's got a nice little pop to it. So we are literally now starting our lap onto the Grand Prix circuit. Full power on the wing. F1 start and finish line, heading into turn 1. Going to brake halfway down, go down a gear into turn 1. Farm, full power, gives me a little bleep. Okay, that understeered a little more than I expected. Maybe tyres aren't quite up to temp. Anyway, down on the gears into second. Ooh, got a little wiggly there, which is pretty good. This really turns well when you get into second gear. Full power as we exit. Oh look, we're going to be chasing down a Mclaren. I don't know what Mclaren that is. They're all starting to look the same. See if we can upset this dude in front. Heading down the Wellington straight, flat out, 5th gear. Where's the speed? 130 mile an hour, hard on the brakes. Down into 4th, down into 3rd. Oh, wonder if there's a little bit of stability control still in here. I feel like it restricts me just a little bit. And it's got plenty of power, plenty of go. A little bit of tyre squeal from the Michelin Pilotsport 4s. There we go. Had to dent the Mclaren driver's ego, flat out, heading towards the old start and finish line. 5th gear, just pulling 6th gear, I think. Is this going to be 5th or 4th? I've gone into 4th there. Lots of tyre squeal, a little bit of 4-wheel drifting as we go through Copper's Corner, back over to the white sign on the right hand side. We're going to get held up into Raggeds and Beckett's, that's a bit of a shape, over the curb. The rear really moves around on this. Lots of cement dust through here. Right, let's give this Boxster a little run. No, he's letting us past. Want a little bit of a drag race then, hoping. Beautiful sunset. Full power onto the Hanger Straight, 5th gear. 110, 120 mile an hour. 25, 30, 6th gear, 35. Oh, I could have probably got to 40. Wow, it really moves on the rear when, look at that. You can really jerk this thing around. Oh no, Radical has parked it over there. He's trying to go in the old pit, the new pit lane even. Anyway, really hard on the brakes. Just lift off, get that rotation mid-corner. Got a little bit of understeer. Could be the tyre pressures. Just a little out. Full power, and that is 1 lap complete. It's a right little pocket rocket, this thing. And it's you can really play with it. Like, it really moves around. I don't know whether it just moves around on the tyre. A little bit of understeer there, but as soon as you lift off, the weight transfer really gets the thing to move around quite a bit. Yeah, it definitely doesn't give me full power when it starts to slide, but it's a lot of fun. It's got a bit of understeer when you're on the power as we go through there. Overtaking one of the DTO McLarens, heading into Brooklands, hard on the brake at the start of the curb. Maybe I cooked the tyres already. Sorry, Emmanuel. One careful owner. So just dragging the brake, getting the nose down, keeping it down as we go through Lovefield. Really feel and hear the tyres Past the BRDC. Heading under the Silverstone gantry. Well, we haven't been overtaken yet. Woohoo! This thing's wild. It's a lot of fun. Oh no, will we get past? Yeah, we'll get past. I'll stay behind this guy. Thank you very much. As we head into the... Yeah, the lift off oversteering, this is a lot of fun. Look at that. Feels like it just dances on the top of the tyre. It's a lot of fun. What's it rev to? 6,800 RPM. Hard on the brakes again at the end of the straight. As soon as you just come off that brake, the rear just like starts to float. And then get a little bit of understeer on the exit, but anyway, final corner. Yeah, on the brakes. As it just launches. Oh! There we go, that was better. It allowed me to slide then. Anyway, I wasn't ready for it. Anyway, we'll give it a little break. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was fun.
That was brilliant. Right, get my breath back now. We'll do a bit of a cool down, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a thumbs up and a share if you fancy it. Look forward to doing my next video soon. It's going to be a while probably before we are back at Silverstone, because I think they call it, what do they call it? The winter lights or something going to be shown soon, but anyway. See you next time. Oh, it's got 7 gears.
Yeah. He moved around a lot more than I expected, right?
Yeah. Should we see if we can upset the Lambo? Right, we're chasing. Look at the flames coming out the back of that. He's got the power.
Yeah.
He hasn't quite got the control. Yeah! Oh look, I'm slowing down, it's an in lap.